Oh yeah.
All right.
I see mine.
Okay.
Okay, sweet. So we can go ahead and get started on this. So we're just supposed to do this quiz.
Well, I think you're supposed to, it said, okay, it says, hold on. I had it pulled up. So it says, meet with your group using Google Hangouts, discuss part 2 of the preparation assignment, record your group meeting and post the link to the group collaboration discussion board. And then after your group has clarified their understanding on part 2, go to the next page to access the quiz.
Okay.
So we're just supposed to discuss part 2 of that, the assignment
Oh yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just trying to find
Okay.
part 2.
So the part 2, it was like the first part was determine the correct sampling method. Were you guys all okay with those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They also give answer keys, so
Yep. And then the second half of part 2 had whether or not it was a observational study or an experimental design. And then if it was the experimental design, then you had to put in what the response variable was and the treatment and the subjects. So I'm assuming that the quiz will probably just go, it'll be similar to those.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
I guess we'll just start part 2 really fast, and I'll take the quiz.
Say that one more time. Sorry, it cut out.
All right. We'll just we'll go over part 2 really fast, and then we'll take the quiz.
Yep.
Okay.
Remind me
All right. Does everyone?
remind me where to find the part 2 again,
So if you,
because I'm trying to find it.
it's just in the assignment.
Oh, okay.
So there was a part 1 and a part 2 of the assignment.
It was on the same sheet.
Yep.
Yeah.
So it says 2 on here though. Go to the next page and click start quiz. While you're required to work together on this quiz, each member of the group needs to submit his or her own answers. So when we go to take the quiz, we all need to log in and take the quiz at the same time.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm on the quiz right now, or I have it up.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah. Me too.
Okay, I'm just getting to that.
It was also.
It says you have 2 attempts.
Okay.
You can view previous attempts, and that's about it.
Okay.
All right. So question 1, I completed the individual preparation assignment before attending the group meeting. You guys have the same quiz, right?
Yes.
We have the same
Yeah.
one.
All right. I actively participated in this week's group meeting. All right, group questions. So researchers would like to determine if reviewing material consistently within an hour after class helps students perform better on exams, and if students wait to review material the day before the exam. To answer this question, the researchers are trying to determine if an observational study or an experiment would be more appropriate. They are discussing who the population would be and how they will determine which sampling method will best represent the population. Which of the 5 steps of the statistical process are the researchers currently applying?
They're designing.
Yeah.
Really?
I agree. Does everybody agree?
Yeah, they're designing it.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, does somebody want to read the next question? You don't have to listen to me read them all.
I can do it. A
Okay.
researcher has collected the results of a survey where the participants were asked how many hours of TV they watched each day. The researchers tallies the frequencies for each category and computes mean number or number of hours watched. Then she then creates a histogram to help illustrate the overall distribution. Which of the 5 steps of the statistical process did the researcher apply?
Is that just collecting the data? I'm trying to remember which one.
Yeah, that's what
Driving.
that's what I would think. That's what I would put down. Would just be collecting the data. I mean, she said because in the beginning it says collecting the results of the survey, so I just think she's collecting all the data.
Because she's just making a chart for it.
Yep.
Yeah, then create something. So I would think just take collecting data.
Okay.
I'll read this one. Mumbai, India is a quickly growing city of importance in its own country as well as the global economy. A market research firm has been asked by a prominent fast food restaurant to determine if the citizens of Mumbai would support this fast food business. From a list of all registered taxpayers, 3,000 names are randomly selected. Each individual on the list is mailed a brief questionnaire. The researchers receive 1,049 responses. The population is.
Yeah, well, are they asking is the population for the study or the population of the marketing research? Well, it's got to be. So it can't be the citizens of Mumbai because they only did 3,000 names.
Yeah, so that's not it.
So I would say that the population of their thing is the 1,049 people who responded.
Of their marketing research.
Correct.
Yeah, that makes sense to me.
Well, like the term for population is total collection of all individuals. Very specific. Yeah,
Like
I think
3,000 people would be the.
But so they had 3,000 names, but only
The
just over
1,049
1,000.
responded.
Yeah. So I don't know.
they're randomly selecting, and then that doesn't respond. That didn't apply to all the citizens. So I guess it would be the
Okay,
1,049.
I think so. I mean, we can retake it if it isn't. All right, and then
All
we're gonna get somebody read. Are you going? Go.
It's
Yeah. Mumbai, India is quickly growing city of importance in its own country as well as global economy. A market research firm has asked by a prominent fast food chain. It's the same thing. The sample.
So that would be the citizens of Mumbai, right?
I think the sample would be the 1,400 or the 1,049 people, and then the population would be the
other one. So
Yeah.
swap them.
It's like population
Exactly.
bigger and sample smaller.
I agree.
Wait, so what are we putting for this one?
So for question number 5, we need to switch it to the citizens of Mumbai. And then question number 6, we're doing,
Oh, okay, yeah. That makes sense then.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, now it makes more sense.
Okay. Yeah, so it's the sample of only ones that responded. Okay, gotcha.
All right, studies have shown that retention of classroom materials can drop as low as 58% within 15 minutes of class and within 44% after the first hour of class. This forgetting curve continues so that within 6 days, only 25% is remembered. How can a student conquer this forgetting curve? The researchers in this study claim that constant review is important. Suppose your teacher wanted to test this and invited you to participate in a study where you were asked to review specific material 15 minutes after class for 10 minutes, an hour after class for 10 minutes, and then again 2 days after class for 10 minutes. Your teacher then gives you a short 10-question quiz where your score out of 10 is recorded. What type of data is your teacher collecting? I think that's categorical, right? Quantitative, hold on.
Let me see. Yeah, that seems more categorical than quantitative.
That's what I think, because it's categories, but
Like groups of people instead of
Yeah.
the amount.
number. Yes. Let's see. You guys agree? Yes? No?
Numerical.
Yeah.
I think it's categorical data.
Say that again.
Sorry, there was another video that was playing that I was I was talking to myself, sorry.
Okay. All right. So
Okay.
7 going with categorical.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the next one, it's
Okay,
the
number-
same question.
8.
But then it says he
Yeah.
then records your response as yes, no, not sure. So what type of data is your teacher collecting?
That was quantitative, just because in the pre-readings or whatever, it says that the quantitative is a typical questionnaire type questions. So I don't know if that would be part of that would be quantitative or not.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay. Let's see. Hopefully that one's right. All right, number 9. Studies have shown that the retention of classroom materials can drop as low as 58% within 15 minutes of class and within 44% after the first hour of class. This forgetting curve continues so that within 6 days, only 25% is remembered. How can the student conquer this forgetting curve? The researchers in this study claim that constant review is important. Suppose your teacher wanted to test this and invited you to participate in a study where you were asked to review specific material 15 minutes after class for 10 minutes, an hour after class for 10 minutes, and then again 2 days after class for 10 minutes. Your teacher also selects a group to give no review to the material over the 6 days. This group is called the
That's the control group.
Right.
Yeah. That's a lot of control.
Yep.
Yep.
Which of the following would be considered an experimental design? A telephone poll asking people about whether or not they vaccinate their children, administering vaccination to one group. I'm gonna say it's the second one, to be honest.
So in designed experiments, research manipulate the conditions that the participants experience is the definition.
Yeah, like one's giving a vaccination, the other one's giving nothing, pretty much. So
Yeah, that would be it.
You said administering the tuberculosis.
Yeah, and then one group and then giving placebo to the other.
I'll read this one.
Okay.
In a study to determine the average wage of working people in Mumbai, which of the following would be the best sample? Every 10th worker that you meet as you travel the streets of Mumbai, all of the workers in one working district of Mumbai, many randomly selected workers in each of the several working districts of Mumbai, or all of the female workers.
I think they're randomly selected, right? Or
That's what I would choose. Randomly selected in each several working districts of Mumbai.
You got systematic. The second one is like simple random. And then the third one is like, I think it's like stratified. And the last one is clustered. So I'd go with stratified.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so. So I think it's the randomly selected.
Okay. All right, number 12. You want to become the next Jonas Salk and produce a vaccine that will help cure children of respiratory
Signal.
syncytial virus. You test the vaccine and compare it to a placebo and randomly choose one group of children to take the vaccine and one group to take the placebo. Who or what or who are the experimental units or subjects?
The children.
Yeah.
Children.
Yes.
Okay, 13. So it's the same thing, but what are...
Treatments would be the vaccine and the placebo.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. In 1992, the U.S. government supported a study that was run for 15 years where 4,608 low-income families were given a chance to move to less impoverished areas. They distributed vouchers and provided various support systems. The researchers wanted to determine if getting people out of poor neighborhoods would reduce the poverty level of low-income families randomly assigned to one of the following groups. The MTO low poverty voucher group, the traditional voucher group, the control voucher group. And the study was, I'd say it was experiment.
Supported a study.
They're controlling all the variables by taking the specific people and then putting them into specific groups instead of just observing.
Yep. Yeah, that makes sense. If they're going to be randomly selecting the different people out of the different groups, then it'd have to be experiment.
And then this last one is just doing the steps of the...
Step 1 is the design the study.
Step.
What's that?
I was saying, yeah, step 1 is design a study.
Step 2 is collect data. Step 3 is describe. Step
3 is to describe, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Inferences.
Step 4 was
Inferences.
Okay.
And then step 5 is
action.
Yep, take action.
2, 1, 3, 5, 4.
2, 1. Oh, step 4 was what?
In the little boxes, is yours 2, 1, 3, 5, and 4?
2, 1, 5, 4, 3.
2, 1. Hold on.
maybe they're like jumbled for each.
Mine's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, they must be different then for all of us.
Yeah, they've got to be different.
Okay. Yeah, so just double check. Step 1 was design the study. Step 2 was collect the data. Step 3 was describe the data. Step 4 was make inferences. And step 5 was take action.
Yes.
Yep.
All right, hit submit.
What? I'm kidding. So the ones that we got wrong were 7 and 8.
We got question 4 wrong, right? Right? Because we got no points for question 4.
Yep.
Okay, and then we got question 7 wrong. And question 8 wrong.
Yeah, 3.
All right, so that's it.
Right. And then
Researchers are.
So okay, never mind.
4.
Okay, so I think question number 4, I want to say it was the describe the data, because that was actually using a chart. Is that right? Hold on.
Yeah.
We put collect data.
We picked collect data,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, you're saying, okay. I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I was describe data.
Right? Do you think we should switch it to describe?
Yeah.
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 Let's
Even-
do
It was
describe
something to do with data.
data. And then hold on.
And 7 was quantitative.
Hold on. 3.
Eight.
Did we get
8 was category.
7 was quantitative, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
5. I'm just writing these down so when we go back in, I don't have to read through all the questions again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
7. Okay, so
Other than
7.
that, we got
What are we switching 7 to? Quantitative, obviously. Okay.
Quantitative. 8 is categorical.
Okay, 8. What did we decide for 8? Oh, it's categorical. Okay, so we got those 2 mixed up.
Yeah, those were
Yeah.
the 3 that we missed. So. All right. Round 2. So 7 was quantitative and the 8 was category.
Yeah.
All right. Do we want to try just really quick?
Yeah, let's just do it again.
Do it again? Okay.
Yeah, since we have 2 attempts.
All right, so I completed. True. True. So question number 3 was design the study.
Yes.
Question number
Yeah.
4 was describe data.
Yes.
Yes.
Question number 5 is citizens of Mumbai.
Yep.
Question
Yes.
6 is the 1049.
Yes.
Question number 7 is
Yep.
quantitative.
Yes.
Question number
Yep.
8 is categorical.
Mm-hmm.
Question number
Yep, that's right.
9 is control group.
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
Question number 10 is the administering of the tuberculosis vaccination.
Yes.
Question number
Yep.
11 is the many randomly selected workers. Question number 12 is you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, okay. Question number 12 is the children.
Yeah.
Question number 13
That's right.
is the vaccine and placebo.
Yep.
Question number 14 is experiment. And then go ahead and do your matching since. So step 1 is design the study. Step 2 is collect the data. Step 3 is describe the data. Step 4 is making inferences. And step 5 is to take action.
Yep.
Okay.
Well done, gentlemen. 100%.
Yay.
Awesome.
Okay, and then do you want to upload the video to the discussion since you
I think I'm the only one.
yeah, that will
Yeah.
have it.
Yeah, I can do that.
So that's in the group collaboration. So it just says
Yeah.
include names, first and last of all attendees so everyone can get credit.
Okay.
Sweet.
Okay.
Awesome.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
See ya.
We'll figure out when we can do it next time. Or the
Okay.
later.
Yeah, what time, speaking of which time works, like what works best for everybody?
So Thursdays I'm like completely booked.
Okay.
So preferably doing it Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays are much easier for me, just because I don't have any class. But Tuesdays, Thursdays, I'm pretty booked. But Tuesdays at 1:30 work fine for me.
Okay. I was gonna say I think the group meetings are due on Wednesday or no, Tuesdays.
Yeah, Tuesday and Thursdays.
So we gotta meet before those two.
Oh, we have another one that's due on Thursday also?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Okay.
believe so.
Yep, we do.
Maybe if we did like a Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, just do them back to back. If that works. I mean, I'm not sure if that works.
I'm pretty open. Yeah. Does that work for everybody to do a Monday and a Tuesday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What time do we want to do on Mondays and what time on Tuesdays? I have one kid that has speech therapy on Monday mornings until like 10:30. So anytime after that, I can do Mondays.
I can do anytime after 12 on Mondays.
Okay.
And then Tuesday, I think 1:30, we should stick to that.
Tuesdays at 1:30. Does that work for everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah, that works for me.
I
Okay.
mean, if we want to do both days at 1:30, that's fine too. Just
Does 1:30 work for everybody on Mondays?
Yep.
Yeah, that works.
just make it easier so we don't have to remember 2 different times.
Yep. Let me just double check. Yep, that should work.
That's perfect.
Okay, sweet.
Okay. All right, perfect. Thanks, guys. We'll see you. Well, so when do we need it though this week?
Okay.
We got to do one more this week though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do. So because it's due on Thursday, and can y'all meet tomorrow or no?
Yeah, I can. I'm just trying to see if there's 2 in here or not.
I just figured, I mean, I don't know, I just kind of figured it was going to be a Tuesday, Thursday kind of thing.
I'm just looking to see if we have to do 2 or not, because I'm not seeing another We have a homework quiz that we have to do.
I see a group meeting.
You have to look
Quiz.
in lesson 3.
Yeah, there's one due tomorrow on Thursday.
You see
Yeah,
one?
lesson
Yeah.
3 on Thursday.
All right, I'm just trying to look. Okay.
So I don't know what tomorrow looks like for y'all.
Oh yeah.
I could do the same tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yeah, I can do 1:30 tomorrow.
Okay.
Does that work for everybody? Oh, we lost somebody.
Yeah, we lost Troy.
And then you just kind of exit it out by the time we're all done with the
can-
quiz.
I can ask him and see if 1:30 works.
Okay, so should we just plan on tomorrow at 1:30?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. My only thing is if I get called into jury duty, I'll let you guys know.
Okay.
I'm really
Okay.
sad. I wish that I could have been on the case where he shot a crossbow at somebody, but you know, what do you do? Okay. All right, we'll plan on tomorrow at 1:30 then.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, thanks
Good.
guys.
All right.
Bye.